What's up, guys? So I won't be going deep on what I will be doing today, because I'm pretty sure not even most of you guys actually want to know about it right now at this stage. But I'll just do it for those who are interested to know about it. So let's put our background on 50, or the opposite of our background on 50. It seems like I put the opposite to 50 for the wrong thing. Let's go to shape one. Let's just double click it and say like the bigger divider. Then we can go to it, straight to it. Then let's put our opacity to 50. Click OK. Then that's our opacity to 50. So just look. So now I'm trying to get those things. Let me go to the image. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to get those black things around the image. So those are the things that I don't like doing. Those more brownish color, those more brownish color, you see, more darkening area behind. So that's what I will be doing right now, because they actually add depth to your image. They actually do help your image, although like I don't like doing them. So I'll just do them like this. You see, then I'll just go from here. Then I'll just do them just like this from this side. Then I will just go down. Then I will just go back from this area. So it just take whatever like it was trying to cover and put it backwards. That's what it will do, just like that, you saw. So after doing that, you can let's click the sun darker area. Then we can just double click and try to fix everything. I'll also show you some tricks on how to do it perfectly, but this is for the advanced people, of which is on another course that I'm still working on. Then after doing that, just gonna click here, click option. Before I go there, I do that, I will just go to my here to this. Then I will just try to click there, and I click there. Then I click this. Then I click this. Then I can just go straight to that color. Then I'll just take this color. Then I drag it downwards so that it can be stronger. Then I'll just click Control C. Then I just do that. Then I'll go straight to my background. Wait for it until it's done loading. Just click option, just click change color fill. Then I'll just go from this one. So it will mess this side. It will mess this side. But let me show you. But it will mess this side. Let's say this side didn't appear. That means I have to do this side alone if I'm about to do what I'm doing right now. So we'll go here. We're gonna click there. We're gonna select. Just do it like this. Click OK. Then we go to the downward triangle. Click there. Click this, and you click that, and you click it there. Then you click OK. Then you click OK. So this is how it will look like. Let's double click it again. It doesn't look like the thing that I want. Let's change this of that color. Okay, let's do it like that. Okay, then as I already mentioned, I have to kill this one. I have to double click it, then I have to just make sure it doesn't appear. We'll just redraw it. We can also use a rubber though for this thing I just did. Then I can just click there, then I just recreate it again from this control Z. So what just happened, guys, is the one thing that I told you, that before you can start drawing, just make sure you didn't select anything here. You know, just do this, then select nothing, then you can click here, then you can go and draw. Then you can come here, just make sure it aligns with whatever you were doing, and you can just click select, zoom out, zoom on, and just double click that, then go straight there. Make sure it aligns with your line. You gotta make sure about that. Seems good to me. Okay, just click option. Then we're just doing the same thing, but now we gotta change it. Or this color gotta be the stronger, gotta be the stronger color, which is more of this color. Click OK, and this one gotta be the weaker color, of which is gotta be this one. So when you're doing this, you don't have to add a filler. Let me say sun dark 2. So when you're doing this, I mean, you don't have to add an outline. Then you can go down, and we will just, what we will be doing downwards, we're just trying to make this thing disappear. Then you can see how it looks like there. Then we can just try to go up to our main background. What did I write it? And a bigger divider. Let's just try to, let's go to our bigger divider. I don't want to complicate these guys, just to be honest. Go to the bigger divider, you go here, then you put your color back on 100. Then we have those things. So one thing that you can notice, they are pretty looking, they're not looking good so far. Then you can just click option. You have two things to do it, just to make them look better. It's either you decrease like the opacity, or you use like the blending tools. So we can look like the blending tools, which look pretty great. This one is not good, I don't like it. This one, Darken, I just love the Darken vibe. Then we can go to this side, and we can also put Darken. So that's how it looks like. And we can now decrease a little bit of an opacity, maybe like put it around 70. Decrease our opacity, put it around 70, around 60 there. It's too below, so let's give it around an 80. Still pretty looks, still can't see it. Let me just put it on 95. let's just put it on 90, on 85. I think that's much better. We go to the second one. We put also on, let's just put it on straight 80 for this one. Okay, this one looks great. This one doesn't look like it does appear. So let's put it on 85 just to get that the color fill on it. So that's what we have so far, guys. You can see like there's a little bit of it there. You see like the little bit of it. I hope you can see a little bit of it. Okay, let's just leave it like that. And now we're gonna take the first one, put it straight on the second one, then we take the entire of it, then we put it together. Then one thing that I would love to do right now is just to make this. So let me show you guys one thing I really hate about the parent. I'll just use the parent, right? Then I want everything to be grouped under the parent. I'll show you. So the parent will always have this thing. Even when I'm animating, it always have this triangle thing. So I cannot remove that thing. I cannot remove it. Let me just try. What if I put the opacity on 0? You see, even if I put the opacity on 0, that square things appears. But the parent generally like takes everything and group them into one thing. But I just don't like using it because it make me like it just make my things to not look pretty good like the way I want them to look like. Then I'll just use this thing, then I'll just double click it, then I will name it as a parent brother, like, or an elder brother. Then I will just be taking all of those. I hope you can see. I'll be just taking all of those, then dragging them, putting them straight to that parent elder brother. Then from here I'll just go to my parent older brother, then I'll just put my capacity on 0, my opacity on 0. Then when I come to my older brother, then when I move my older brother, I can move everything, you see. So my older brother just acts like a parent practically. So I hope you can notice that my older brother, this parent brother, just acts like what the parent will do, just that there's no that square thing, of which that's what I like personally. So guys, this is what we managed to do for our background, and this is what we have for our cartoon background, for our cartoon drawing, and this is what we have for our cartoon drawing. So that's all, guys, for the unit 3. So I'll go to unit 4, where I will be trying to animate this cartoon. And yeah, that's all I'll be doing. I'll be just animating this cartoon, just a basic of animating a cartoon, and that's all for this course. I don't want to complicate a lot of things. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next episode, next unit.